Dear students, last class we learned about basic logic gates. In today's class, we'll discuss derived gates. The gates which are described or defined or constructed by using basic gates are called derived gates. The derived gates are classified into four types: NOR gate, NAND gate, exclusive OR gate, and exclusive NOR gate. These are four types of derived gates. We'll see one by one how these gates are described with truth table and logical representation. The first one is the NAND gate. NAND gate is not AND gate or inverted AND gate. This means an AND gate is always followed by a NOT gate to give NAND gate. Dear students, NAND gate is nothing but it is a combination of NOT gate and AND gate. So it is named as a NAND gate. The NAND gate is the one of the logic element because it can be used as a universal gate. Why it is called as universal gate? It can be used in combination to perform the AND, OR and inverter operations. Nothing but NOT operations. NAND gate is constructed by attaching NOT gate at the output of AND gate. Hence, NAND gate is called NOT AND gate. NAND gate has two or more input and only one output. The output of NAND gate is low when all inputs are high. The output of NAND gate is low when all inputs are high. The operation of a NAND gate, see here. Next, the logical expression of NAND gate. Its logical expression is x is equal to a into b the bar. It is a first row. It is represented as bar. It is denotes as bar. See here 0 0 0 into 0 is 0. When it is applied with the NOT gate, it changes to its state 1. When 0 into 1, the output will be 0. When it is applied with the NOT operation, then output becomes 1. Next 1 0, 1 into 0 is 0. When it is applied with the NOT operation, it becomes 1. 1 into 1 is 1. When it is applied with the NOT operation, it becomes 0. For 3 input NAND gate, we have the truth table here. See, x, y, z are 3 inputs and function O is a function of NAND gate and x into y into z the bar. When all inputs are 0, output 1. When any one of input 1 or any of 2 input are 1, then output 1. If all inputs are 1, then output 0. And 3 variable NAND gate is represented like this. Next, move on to the NOR gate. NOR gate is nothing but NOT OR gate or inverted OR gate. This means an OR gate is always followed by a NOT gate to give NOR gate. It is also called as universal gate because used in combination to perform the AND, OR and inverter operations. NOR gate has 2 or more input and only one output. The output of NOR gate is high when all inputs are low, otherwise the output is low. Expression of NOR gate is x is equal to a plus b the bar. A plus b the Next, move on to the exclusive OR gate. The exclusive OR gate has a graphical symbol similar to that of the OR gate, except for the additional curved line on the input side. The XOR gate can also have two or more inputs but produces one output signal. The exclusive OR gate is different from OR gate. OR gate produces output 1 for any input combination having one or more ones, but XOR gate produces output 1 for only those input combinations that have odd number of ones. Odd number of ones. See, two inputs. We cannot construct XNOR gate using 3 input XOR gate. If both inputs are low or both are high, then it produces the output high. Otherwise, it produces the low output. The logical expression is x is equal to a b plus a bar b bar. Then it is. Thank you.